Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to complete the template for the lesson plan on the With Google Experiments class. You're going to get a template like this, and the first thing you're going to do is go to the title of the experiment and replace it with the name of the one you have the lesson plan for. Teacher instructions, you're just going to add what the teacher should do prior to setting up this lesson. Short and sweet's fine, no major stuff here, just a little heads up for the teacher. Name of the experiment and what tools it uses in Google. All you have to do is copy and paste this from the page that the experiment's on. Just copy and paste it. It's fine. Usually it's by the experiment title. And then the last part, this is the important part. These are the directions that other teachers can copy, paste, and edit and give to their own students. This is like ready-made. All they have to do is copy, paste it into the thing for their parents and students to do. And you just do the directions here. It should be pretty specific. If they have to go to a website, please put the link to the website in there. If it requires parent permission, make sure you mention that. So let's look at a sample. So this Google experiment is the Freddie meter, so I replaced that there. Teacher instructions, it's your job to make sure parents know this activity needs their supervision or permission. Name of the experiment, I just copy pasted it. And student instructions, the whole point is that another teacher should be able to come here and do this. Scroll, 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 and then Control C, Control V, copy all of this and paste it for their own students. If it's got a picture, they may also need to do that separately. But basically, it's ready-made. Now, if there's another highlight in here, this would be more instructions for the teacher. For, in this case, the teacher who might copy paste this should have specifically how they want their students to share it with them. But seriously, just step by step, ready-made lessons that nobody has to read all in depth for. All they need to do is copy paste it, give it to their students, and let their students have fun with this. Everyone needs a brain break. Let's do it.